back history on this build is this was generational gifts. This was somebody's grandfather's truck that was passed down to his father, that is now passed down to him, and he's building it to pass it down to his kids, which I think is really awesome. It's really hard to find people that hold on to vehicles that long. It's just a cool little story to hear that, you know, somebody would take that time and that money to pour into something that some people wouldn't find as unique, but I find it pretty cool just because it's a 94 Ford F-150 that you don't normally see lifted and tricked out the way it is. We've done a lot of modifications to it. We did the bigger transmission on it with a better transfer case. That way if this guy does decide to take it off-road or tow with it, do anything wild, he's got the power and the capacity to do so. And of course, you know, it's just cool to see the old square body trucks out here repping with the new trucks. And it sounds good for a little 5.0. I thought it was like a fun build for me, just because it's my background is building off-road vehicles and big trucks. Something I've always had a passion for. So it was just cool to take on something that, you know, has been sitting for 4 or 5 years, and somebody brings to you on a trailer, not running, not what it's supposed to be, but turn it into something that they're going to love and be able to pass down to their kids. And hopefully their kids take care of it and pass it down to their kids.